Either we explode that bearing. Probably should have budged, huh?
Yeah, don't break your...
Are we about to get hit by ball bearings?
Alright, so in this video, we're going to be going back to the bike, back to that Facebook flip, working on the differential for the Kawasaki VStar? Or Yamaha VStar? Yamaha VStar. I don't know shit about bikes. But yeah, we're working on the diff again, and it's coming apart again.
Yeah, we're gonna try. I don't know how to get that.
Well, I will say, we did get last time off camera. I'll put the video right here, hopefully. The reverse locking nut.
It was annoying.
We didn't know it was reverse at first, like reverse threaded.
Yeah.
So we were just tightening the shit out of it forever.
Ended up getting it out though.
But we looked it up online because we were like, why is this not coming out? And we figured out it was reverse threaded. So
Scratched it only a little bit in there.
Marred the surface a little bit. That's fine. It's fine. But yeah, so now we're taking this apart, trying to get the old bearing out and the seal, so it can be basically refurbished.
Yeah.
And ride reliably.
Hopefully. Supposedly they're super reliable bikes when they they don't have nuked oil seals. And bearings, final drive bearings.
And what did you have?
Both.
So, yeah, so now we're taking this apart. What do we got here? We got
I need
the
a screwdriver.
we got the bolts out.
I think I need to pry.
Yeah, I don't know where all those flatheads are.
Because it looks like it'll split right here, like a case.
Where's that?
Looks like, I mean, we took all these bolts out.
Yeah.
I have a feeling it should just come up.
Yeah, that at least should.
This little gasket
Yeah.
thing. I mean, yeah.
See what's under there.
I don't want to rip it, but I greased it the last time. Took it off. What's it look like under there? What's she look like? No. It's just tight as hell. But we should be able to just take this off.
So we don't even need to take this off.
I don't think so. I think we need
off.
to just take that.
All right.
Which
Oh, I
is
see some spots. Yeah, I know. Yeah, we're missing a lot of tools because we're, as you guys can see, we're transferring over to the new barn that we've been working in here. You can see all these cool flags up. Got the TV going. Got the 75-incher right there with some Larry Chen always going.
Wasn't there a little tool bag?
Yeah, I don't know where it went. Gotta find it.
This is crazy.
The joys of working in a new spot. Joys of working in a new spot.
Interesting.
But, okay, so we're gonna go find some tools here and be back.
Yeah. I think we tried this last time and we couldn't get it off.
So how do you get it off?
I have no idea.
Like, what is...
We just gotta try harder. Oh, it's moving a little. It moved a little.
So yeah, we got a flat head wedged in at the seam here.
I think that moved a little. Maybe not. Maybe. There's a little seam there.
Just trying to weave and, you know, go around the seam, trying to break it loose without breaking it.
Yeah, for real. Cracking like that butt case or something. Dude, this looks terrible. Motherfucker. Hear that though?
Yeah.
Yeah, the only like videos on this are it's just one guy. And he goes, well, figured it out. Yamaha doesn't want to show you this. They want to charge you. I don't know, dude. I think this is just going to take a lot of wiggling.
It's fine. So yeah, we're just, like I said, we're just wiggling and prying with the screwdriver, trying to get it loose.
Have a good grip over there. Oop. Oh, big old crack. Need like a smaller one, low key.
Oh, that sounded good.
Let me make sure.
Yep. Nice.
Oh. Oh,
Spun it. Let's go.
Should come up. Oh, I might need another hand.
You might need to take this off. Is that stopping it?
No.
All right, so we got it
This is
off.
gonna be stinky. Well, it already is smelly.
Got it apart. Look at that. That there is the differentiator.
The bearing in here looks good. Oh, here's that little like, this is like a retention thing, maybe?
Am I looking at?
I don't know. Goes on there. That's like one of the main bearings right here.
Mm-hmm.
Luckily there's like no metal in there besides. Oh, make sure all these are good. The gears itself look good.
Yeah.
Which is insane. Based off of that bearing. You should not be able to look through it like that. Can you see? Look, you can see light.
Oh yeah. Look,
right
wait,
through
hold
there.
on. I'll do it again.
Right
you can
through there.
see my finger through there, I think, but yeah, you can literally see all the way through.
Does this just pull out? No, that's the part where I was a little confused. I don't know how this guy just got this thing out. I feel like he should be able to just pull it out. But me, I am no mechanic. Oh, I see it spinning in there. Oh. I mean, it's not connected to the one things anymore. I wonder if I can pry it through this little hole. I don't know. I do not know. Alright.
But yeah, so we got it apart. Now what we have to do, basically, and correct me if I'm wrong, but now the biggest thing is getting that bearing out of there and replacing it.
Yeah.
And then seal, right?
Yeah, the seal, I might have left that at home. But that is like the last step anyways, so it's fine. The bearing is the biggest part.
Yep, and it's in a million pieces right now.
Yeah.
So.
You wanna
Cool.
get all this goop. Transmission fluid.
Yeah.
Ew.
It is kind of sweet to look at it though. Like I've just been looking at it for a second.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah. I mean, it makes sense, right? Like your shaft goes in here and then this big gear converts this rotation to this rotation, right?
Goop. Yeah.
Pretty sweet.
Look at that. Whole transmission, essentially.
A lot of parts when it could have just been a chain.
Oh, you can kind of see, yeah, you can. For real, this literally could have been replaced by a gear and a chain.
Yep.
Which is insane to me.
They had to do it the hard way, I guess. They wanted to see if it was better. Which, fair enough, I guess, you know. Trying new stuff, kind of cool. But, alright, well, we're going to try and get this bearing out real quick.
Yeah.
Alright, so, what we're doing, we decided we need to like a punch
Or something.
or something like an Allen wrench with this 90-degree turn. Because there's a little hole on the back of this input shaft.
You
right
can kind of see it.
Here, you can show it. So right there, you can see we don't really have much room to work with. So we can't really like fully swing a hammer, but we got a little punch.
I should even use this.
We also try those Allen.
Oh yeah, that's what I've been looking for.
So we got these Allen keys that bend at a 90, so we can hopefully get in there,
Looks like it's an okay
punch it
size.
out real quick.
Shit.
This is one part of the, like, I'm gonna be honest, we've been using some videos because we've been kind of stuck
We have no idea.
on how to get some of this stuff off. Like, for instance, this bolt or retaining nut right here is reverse threaded, like we said earlier. We would have never known that had we not looked up a video or something, but
I feel like it's moving.
might be.
Low key. Right there.
But anyway, so now we're trying to get that out. We think that that's how we do it. It might just be like taking forever to do it, unfortunately. Like it might take a couple hits.
Yeah.
Or I might have to go get a tool or something.
Multiple hits.
Yeah, so. Well, now we're trying that, so we'll be back.
20 minutes later.
We need to try like heat.
So what we've discovered is that this is like under here is a cylinder that is like a
It's like a sleeve.
yeah, like a sleeve, you could say that. And what we're trying to do is hit all of that out. But I mean, in theory it should just like kind of slide out if you hit it, but it's been in there for a little while. So
That's annoying. We need like something in there, like WD-40. We'll try that.
all right. Yeah, we got to try some of that. We're
All
going to
that
try some
shit's in the
W.
garage. It's all in the garage.
Well, we're going to try to get this out. We're going to keep trying. Once we get it out, let you know.
Later.
All right, so we managed to get this out. The way we had to do it is use a massive extension. I think this one's a 7-inch extension.
Yeah.
And then
the swivel head.
yeah, well, a couple like adapters that made it be able to move a little bit. So we could angle it all the way up here.
And then a heavy sledge. And it literally came out first half. Like,
Yeah.
It was like, oh,
Yep.
that works.
And there she goes. So
New problem though is we put this in the vise. Whether we explode that bearing.
Did you drive this here or did you? I drove it from San Diego. Just for the
Probably should have budged, huh?
Yeah, don't break your.
Are we about to get hit by ball bearings?
I think so. It should just pop out the bottom.
It should just pop out the bottom. Yeah.
Let's talk about your RAV4. It's actually the white RAV4. This is a US model.
Well, first off, ow. So my ears and foot. Second off,
It just built up enough tension that it popped out.
Oh shit.
oh,
Looks to be okay still.
Yeah, I don't think it damaged anything, but it's,
I think it,
This is not budging. And the only other video I saw, the dude straight up cut the bearing off, cut the collar, and I think we're gonna need to do that, which sucks.
yeah.
But I looked it up. I can order the collar on eBay.
And when you say the collar,
What's holding the bearing on?
yeah. So this was what we were holding on the press with. The press was like surrounded this bearing, and it was flexing. And then one time it just exploded, like you saw in the
Yeah,
video.
nobody touched it. It just. Wait, you got that on video?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Sketch. Way too much pressure for this thing.
Yeah.
It's kind of crazy to me. But also don't really want to break it. Because I don't know if you can order this little shaft right here. The one that the bearing and thing is actually on.
So yeah, we gotta
Cut
cut
it.
the collar, cut the bearing.
And then order a new collar and shim. I already have the bearing. But after that, it's done. And then the bike goes back together.
Yeah.
Crazy.
It is a cool little bike. I started to like this a little bit more.
Yeah.
It is cool.
I mean, look at the craziness that goes into this thing.
I know.
At least it is apart. I'm gonna order that thing, but I mean, we could pretty much get started on it, like cutting whenever. Oh, wait. Yeah, dude. Dude, this gives a little flex too. This.
Yep, we're just right in there like that.
Yoink.
But yep, so now we're getting closer on the bike. It's almost there. But kind of is what it is at this point, you know?
It sucks. Do you have a giant socket I could hit it with a hammer with?
No. Not that big, I don't think. I mean, it's gotta be like a 50 mil.
Yeah, something giant. It might work. It might work. Okay, fuck it. Wrap it up. We'll look at it in a month.
All right. Yeah, so now we got to order some parts for the bike, and then we're gonna get back to working on it once we get the new stuff. That way we can cut the old stuff.
Yeah.
But anyways, thanks for watching the video on the bike here. If you liked it, leave a like and a sub, and we'll see you in the next one.